Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, keep up. Today, I come to you with a video about Barış and Yağmur. All the details are in my video. If you like my video, I would be really happy if you press the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can support me further with clicking the join button down below. Thank you and let's get into my video. Yağmur Yüksel has been on the agenda of the magazine with the health problem she has experienced in the past days. Known for her successful performances in the TV series Kan Çiçekleri, Yüksel quickly recovered from the poisoning case thanks to the benevolence of her close friend and setmate Barış Baktaş. The incident occurred during a lunch break on the set of the drama. The sudden illness of Yağmur Yüksel after eating a meal worried everyone around her. The first aid to the rapidly deteriorating player was given by a paramedic from the set team. Then, as soon as Barış Baktaş, a close friend of Yağmur Yüksel, learned about the situation, he immediately rushed to the scene. Barış Baktaş took Yağmur Yüksel in his arms and took her to a nearby health institution. Press members who came to the scene captured this helpful and friendly behavior. This warm relationship between the two young talents of the tabloid world deeply impressed their fans and viewers. After the poisoning incident, Yağmur Yüksel was kept under surveillance for a while and the necessary treatment was given. The young actress, whose condition stabilized in a short time, made a statement to thank her fans and the media. While expressing her gratitude especially to Barış Baktaş, Yağmur Yüksel stated that his quick and effective intervention motivated her even more. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.